Yesterday I did an analysis of ALPD, Applied Digital. I had owned it for quite some time. It's a data center up in North Dakota, and I had made over 400% in 2025 off of it. And Samantha, my AI agent, came back yesterday and said, you probably need to sell it. And I was a little bit shocked. But she said the better play is Wolf. And I thought, are you kidding me? She is going, I didn't ask her about Wolf. I didn't get into that. And she went into very hard detail as to exactly why I would be better off taking my money out of Applied Digital and putting it into Wolf. So that's what I did today. That's how far AI has come. I got to thinking, I have my account with E-Trade, which is a part of Morgan Stanley, and Morgan Stanley doesn't give me that kind of information. They don't call me up and say, hey, Kerry, you've made enough money off of Applied Digital. You probably need to move that over to Wolf. No, it's being done by AI. Well, now how does that happen? Well, I've created a prompt, a 4.5 page prompt, and I'm going to be adding to it as a result of this to say, hey, anytime you think I should rotate out of a stock, I'd appreciate it if you would then give me my alternatives or my better alternatives. Because what I then did after she said that consider moving it to Wolf, I asked her, I entered a new prompt specifically on Wolf, and where it went into even greater detail of why Wolf was the better candidate. It even went into to tell me that Iran was strong, but Iran is still in the building stage, and Wolf is more already concrete on the ground and roof over the computers and making the transition from Bitcoin to hyperscalers and more diversified than that of Applied Digital. And it all just came together, and I said, I have never had access to this kind of information. I was a financial advisor with Ameriprise, which was a division at one point of American Express, and I was never given access to this kind of information. I have to pay for it. I have to subscribe to a number of sources so that my ChatGPT can be let through the door and given the kind of information. But for God's sakes, this is unbelievable. So I went in, and the first thing I did this morning, Friday, was liquidate my Applied Digital and put in an order for Wolf. Now, I made a mistake. Last night, I went in and told my tribe that was what I was going to do. So Wolf was up substantially this morning. And once I got my order in, and I guess my tribe got their orders in, it started to come down. But luckily, I said, no, I'm not going to go full boat initially. I know where this stock is going. I know it's volatile. Today was an up day. So I only bought about a third of what I want to own. And then I put a lower order in for up to 60 days, and I'll pick it up at a lower price because it's a volatile stock. It'll come down to my price. But I want you to have access to this kind of information. I mean, I have never had this available to me, and I built it. And I built it at a cost, and I'm crowdfunding it through Best of Us investors. And so, but I don't want you to take my word for it. I created 2 podcasts, one on Applied Digital and the other one on Wolf. And I'm going to put a link that you can send me your email address in the description. And when you send me your email address, I'll just turn around and send you a link to both of those podcasts. One will be on Applied Digital. I suggest you listen to that one first because it's in that one that they say consider Wolf. And then the second one is on Wolf, and it'll tell you why exactly that is the best of the data centers to be investing in at this time. If you're going to make any money at all on the stock market, you've got to recognize that you need information. You need data. You need to pay for that data. Then you need to build a prompt to build yourself a AI agent that you then constantly are upgrading that prompt so that you have access to the same kind of information that the analysts at the hedge funds and whatever have. Because that's the difference. They know where to go to get the data. Well, now with an AI agent, I know where to go to get the data. And I have support. It costs me about $20,000 a month to put all this together. You can duplicate it. You can do it yourself, or you can come to my crowdfunding at Best of Us Investors, pay $60 a month. I'll give you a 14-day free trial because I want you to believe. And what I want you to believe, sincerely, is I can change my life. And I'm talking about you. I can change my life if I just have access to the information that puts me in a position to benefit from the entrepreneurs of this world. I've said it and I've said it, I'll say it again. There's only 4 ways to become a billionaire in this world. And the first is the luck of the birth canal, that your mother and your father were billionaires and you come into their life. The second is at the altar. You marry someone who is part of a billionaire family. The third is you become an entrepreneur. And you become a Jeff Bezos or a Steve Jobs or a Bill Gates or whomever, an Elon Musk. Or you invest in them. And you recognize them through data before the rest of the world does. And that's what I'm doing. And we have never had this opportunity before because the world is going to change so much as a result of you and I and everybody else having access to all the knowledge in the world. Think about that. Think about that. All the knowledge in the world at your fingertips. If you know how to access it, if you pay to access it, and if you know how to interpret it. I'm Kerry. I'm a retired financial advisor. I've made my wealth, and I'm making more. But I want you to recognize your life can change if you'll just take that step. If you don't, you'll continue on the path you're on. All right. You have a good weekend and listen to those podcasts. And I think you'll see the light.